Hello and good morning dear students. Welcome back to the online class, and in today's class we are starting with question number 22. The question is to prove that sine 6 degree, sine 42, sine 66 degree and sine 78 degree is equals to 1 by 16 is what we need to prove. So here I have the left hand side, which is this. Now this left hand side, how we'll write is sine 6 degree, you write it as sine 6. 42 we can write as 90 minus 48. 66 as 90 minus 24 and 78 as 90 minus 12. Okay, therefore after this what we get is sine 6 degree, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, that is cos 48, cos 24 and then cos 12 degree. Now why am I doing this? Why am I doing this is now after using this complementary angles formula, what do I see out here is I am getting in the multiple of 12, 24, 48, in fact from 6 only, 6, 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are and 24 2s are 48. So something like this we are getting. So that's why I am changing this, all of these angles into complementary of sine as cos, sine as cos, sine as cos. Clear? Now is the main thing. What will I do is, see I have sine 6 degree. I have sine 6 degree and cos 12 degree. Okay, whenever we have this kind of situation, always then multiply and divide by 2 cos 6 degree into 2 cos 6 degree. Now why am I doing this is because here I have 2 sine 6 cos 6. So sine 6 and cos 6 will be sine 12, and again I'll be doing sine 12 cos 12. I'll get sine 24, sine 24 cos 24, then sine 48. So in this way we have to proceed. Okay, so this step is very important and crucial out here. Okay, so multiplying and dividing by 2 cos 6 degree. I hope you're clear with that. Now further what we need to do is, it is now coming in the formula 2 sine 6 cos 6. So therefore 2 sine 6 into cos 6. Remaining, let's keep it as it is. So cos 24, 12, cos 24, cos 48 whole divided by this denominator 2 cos 6 degree. Clear with this? All right, now what is the formula? 2 sine 6 cos 6. Is it 2 sine theta cos theta? So for sine 2 theta, that is sine 2 into 6 is 12. So sine 12 I have cos 12 and then cos 24 and then cos 48 divided by 2 cos 6 degree. Okay, so now I further need 2 out here, so multiply with 2 and then multiply with 2 in the denominator as well. So now what am I getting here is I'm still getting in the formula of 2 sine theta cos theta, so which means sine 2 into 12 is sine 24. So therefore sine 24, I hope you are clear with this. This is sine 24, and cos 24 into cos 48 divided by 2 2s are 4 cos 6 degree. Okay, I still need 2, because 2 sine theta cos theta and then again multiply with 2. Now we get, this time we will be getting cos 48 and then so on. Okay, so I hope you are clear till here. So please pause the video and note it down. All right, so therefore from here now what will I get is, it is again in the formula of 2 sine theta cos theta. So therefore 2 into 24 is 48. So therefore I'll be getting sine 48. I already have cos 48 divided by 2 4s are 8 cos 6 degree. Okay, I again need 2. So multiply with 2, multiply with 2. So 2 sine 48 cos 48, 2 sine theta cos theta. So sine 2 into 48 is 96 divided by 8 2s are 16 cos 6 degree. I hope everyone is clear with this. So therefore I know how to break this 96. We can write this as 90 plus 6 divided by 16 cos 6 degree. So 90 plus 6, it lies in the first quadrant, sorry, in second quadrant. In second quadrant sign is already positive, so sine 90 plus 6 will be cos 6 divided by 16 cos 6. Cos 6 gone, so therefore in this way we will be getting 1 by 16. Okay, this one. So please pause the video and note it down. Alright, so in the same way you will do question number 22 part 2. First you will convert pi by 5 as 36 degrees, 72 degree and so on, okay, and use the values accordingly. The hint is given out there in the book. Also yesterday I've given the value of cos 18, sin 18, cos 36, sin 36, right? So please use the value in question number 22 part 2 and take it as homework. The next one I'm moving is number 23. We will be doing only till 23 from this exercise, and in fact we will be doing only till exercise 3.7. so this is the last exercise from trigonometry, and then the last sum will be 23, right? The question is given cos x by 2 is 12 by 13. Cos x by 2 is this much, and then you need to find sin x, cos x and tan x. I need to find sin x, cos x and tan x. Look at the angle. The angle is x by 2. The angle is x out here. Okay. So this is your sub multiples and this is your multiple angles. So now one thing I know is if cos x by 2 is 12 by 13, then I can easily find the value for sin x by 2 using sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 is equals to 1. So therefore sin square x by 2 plus cos x by 2 is 12 by 13. So square means 144 by 169 is equals to 1. Take it to the right hand side. Sin square x by 2 will be 1 minus 144 by 169. Take the LCM. Your sin square x by 2, the LCM is 169. So this is 169 minus 144. So which is how much? 169 minus 144. So is it 25? Yes. 5 and 2. 25 by 169. And yes, we also know both of these are perfect square numbers. So therefore, sin x by 2. Sin x by 2 is root over 25 by 169, which is 5 by 13. So sin x by 2 is 5 by 13. Cos x by 2 is 12 by 13. Therefore, can I find the first answer? Sin x. Obviously, because we know the formula for sin x, right? The formula is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So therefore this is 2 into sin x by 2 is 12 by 13. Cos x by 2 5 by 13. So let's multiply. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So is it 120? Yes, 120 by 169. So this is the value for sin x. So this is how we find the value for sin x. Please pause the video and note down till here. Alright, the next one is cos x. So the formula for cos x in some multiple angle was 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. So 2 into cos x by 2 is 12 by 13 whole square minus 1. So therefore this is 2 into 144 by 169 minus 1. So this is 288 by 169 minus 1. Please take the LCM as 169. So 288 minus 169. What is the difference? 288 minus 169. So therefore 288, 169. Find the difference. It is 7 and this is 18. So hence this is 9. And therefore you will be getting 1, and therefore this is also 1. So isn't it 119 by 169? Please check the answer. The value for cos x is 119 by 169. Okay, so I got sin x, I got cos x. Now I need to find tan x. Okay, I hope you are clear till here. Sin x is this, cos x is this. So now we need to find tan x. So please pause the video and note down. So therefore tan x, that is part 3, tan x. We know what is tan x. Tan x is sin x divided by cos x. So what is sin? Sin is 120 by 169. Okay, and tan is, sorry, cos is 119 by 169. So both the denominator gets cancelled out and I get 120 by 119, which is your tan x. Okay, so please pause the video and note down till here. Alright, so from this particular chapter, trigonometry, chapter number 3, we will only keep till 3.7. Okay, there is 3.8 and 3.9 also, but those things are not so important, at least for class 11. Okay, so do learn all the formulas that we have done so far from exercise 3.7. okay, So now the next chapter that we are starting is chapter number 7, linear inequalities. Linear inequalities, very, very similar to what we have done in class 10, linear inequation. I hope you remember linear inequation, right? So the same chapter is also out here, replacement set, solution set. So all those things we have already done. Okay, so now let's start a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, linear inequalities. Okay, same as linear inequation. Actually it's the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first exercise straight away, exercise 7.1. The first question is solve. You know the question will be solve this linear inequation which gives which is 3x minus 5 less than is equals to 13 minus x, and yes, the replacement set out here is x belongs to 1, 2, 3 up to 10. So this is my replacement set. I hope you know replacement set, right? So this is my replacement set and we need to solve and find the value of x. So what we'll do first is we'll keep xx together. So that is 3x plus x is less than equals to 13 plus 5. So therefore 3x plus x is 4x. 4x is less than equals to 18. So therefore this will give you x is less than equals to 18 by 4. So which means x is less than is equals to 9 and divided by 2, right? 9 2 9s are 2 2s are, so hence it is 4.5. so which means all those values which are less than or equals to 4.5 will be in the solution set. So hence the solution set will be what? 1 2 3 4. Since there's no decimal number, just 1 2 3 4, and this is my solution set. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down. All right, so let's move ahead. Question number 2, you know how to do, so please do question number 2 yourself. Your replacement set out there is a whole number. So whole numbers are those numbers which starts with 0. Okay, now question number 3 is solve this inequation, okay, where x is your negative integer. It is an integer but all negative, so that's why I to the power minus 1. This set indicates that the replacement set is a negative integer. Okay, so before that let's simplify it. We'll get 2 by 5, and don't forget to use implies that sign because we are now doing inequation. Okay, plus 1 by 5. Yes, how will I open it? Open the bracket. This will be actually 2x by 5 plus 1 greater than equals to 0. So therefore 2x plus 5 plus here you can take the LCM directly, so simplify and take the LCM. So what we'll get is the LCM is 5, so you'll get 2 plus 2x plus 5 greater than equals to 0. So which is 2x plus 7 is greater than equals to 0 after cross multiplication. So 2x is greater than equals to minus 7. So therefore x is greater than equals to minus 3.5. So therefore yes, minus 3.5. so this is my final equation that I am getting. So therefore the solution set, if I write this in set builder form, it will be x such that x is greater than equals to minus 3.5 and x belongs to negative integer only, negative integer, okay, to the power minus 1. So therefore what values will be there? See, it should be greater than minus 3.5. So first of all, 3.5 is not an integer, so therefore greater than minus 3.5. so if you draw a number line, your 0 is out here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and somewhere minus 4 out here. So minus 3.5 is out here, so therefore it has to be from minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. So minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1 will be the solution set for this equation. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down. All right, let's move ahead with question number 4. Question number 4 is to solve this inequation 30x less than 200. So from here we'll get x less than 200 by 30. So therefore 0 gets cancelled out. It's not possible to cancel directly, so you'll get 20 by 3 which will give you 6.666, a long number. Okay, so let's round off to 6.67 or 6.66, anything, right? Now this is my main equation. Now I need to find a solution set when x belongs to natural number. So when x belongs to natural number, what will be my solution set? The solution set has to be x such that x less than 6.67 and x belongs to natural number. So which means what kind of values? All those values which is less than 6. So therefore, since it is natural number starts with 1, so hence the answer will be 1 2 3 4 5 and also 6. Okay, so this is clear. Number 2, when x belongs to integer, right? When x belongs to an integer, what will be the solution set? The solution set has to be x such that x less than 6.67, x belongs to integer, so therefore it has to start from 6. All those numbers which are less than 6, because 6.67 is not included. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and it goes up to infinity. So all this is the solution set. Okay, so please pause the video and note down till here. All right, in the same way, please complete it till question number 5, 6, 7 and 8 and submit all this to me by tomorrow. I'll see you in the next one in tomorrow's class. Bye bye and take care.